this video, you're finally gonna learn how to freaking Ollie. Oh! Right after this.
Get off my lawn!
So today, you're finally gonna learn how to Ollie. You've been trying and trying. It has taken you so long, and you still can't get that back wheel off the ground. We've got a solution. That solution is this guy right here. This is Gomez. I know that I spent like 5 months in my bedroom trying to figure it out on carpet.
And that's the best place to learn, on carpet.
Would you say that an Ollie is the basic fundamental trick for doing a bunch of other tricks?
Oh yeah, that's your foundation to all tricks, in my opinion.
He's going to show the geezers how to Ollie, and also he's going to show a special guest how to Ollie. And we have this guest right here. This is Kate. Hey, Kate.
Hey.
You look a lot different than Gomez.
A little bit.
What's going on with that? So you ready to learn how to Ollie?
I am.
What has been your biggest struggle in learning how to Ollie?
I would say jumping higher and like getting the slide of my front foot down.
Okay, so leveling out like Gomez was
Yes.
talking about? Okay, cool. Well, let's learn how to Ollie. So how do you do this?
All right, so pretty much there's 3 things that I always focus on.
Okay.
First thing is the pop.
Okay.
You know, heavy, putting that back foot down and sitting it heavy. After that, it's the slide.
Okay.
That's what I like to call it, slide. You slide that foot up.
Okay.
Last but not least, you got the jump.
Good job.
You got to let that board go up with you. So as soon as you get that pop, that slide, it comes up with you. You just got to jump, and hey, it goes right up. You want to have that top foot right before the bolts, the back foot right at the edge of the board, very edge. Yeah. You got to have that pop, that kick, slide up, and that jump all together. Not all together, but we'll get it. So pop, slide, then the jump.
So a 3-part process: pop, slide, jump.
That was actually a pretty good one.
That was actually didn't expect that actually.
So I noticed that you kind of like jump into it, and I feel like I just jump up. I don't jump into it.
Yes. Yes, so another thing is your body movement, your body weight. Whenever you're Ollie, try to keep it on top of the board. So, I mean, you're saying that you're Ollie like this, and you're staying, all your body weight is staying on the edge of this edge of the board. So, you're going to try to shift it a little bit forward, and that all comes with that slide. Whenever you get that slide, you'll tend to get that body movement, that body weight over. So whenever you get that body weight over, you get that little push forward, you don't land on the back. No. Yeah, no, you are. Get the pop.
Yep.
And get the slide. And with it, you gotta get the jump. Without any of those 3 things, you can't really Ollie. I mean, you have to do them all.
Well, let's talk about foot placement. That foot's on the front.
So pretty much, you're gonna get your feet, your left foot, right behind the bolts right here.
This is if you're regular footed.
If you're regular footed. The back foot's gonna be on the back. But that pocket right there, you got to put it right there. So whenever you pop down, you get that front foot slide all the way up here. Once it gets right here, pretty much I like to call it evens out.
Okay.
So I know whenever you first start Ollieing, you're gonna get a lot of these.
Yeah, for sure.
Rockets.
I still get those.
So you get those rockets, but in able to fix those, you got to slide that foot up. Once you slide it up, it levels the board completely.
Ah,
And that's
okay.
when you get that clean, nice Ollie.
What would you say to somebody who maybe, is Ollieing like an inch right now or so?
You know,
Okay.
you already pretty much, if you're getting up an inch, you're already doing what you need to do to get that Ollie. So
Okay.
now you just got to focus on getting that better. And by that is you got to jump higher, tuck those knees up higher, and just worry about the leveling.
Cool. All right, so that is how you Ollie. Get out there and practice that. Be sure you watch next week's video. We're going to show you how to Ollie higher. It'll be right over there. And there's a playlist there too. All of these Ollie videos. Watch those.